Hello guys, myself Nandini and you're watching News Cafe. During the Sabrimala reference hearings, Supreme Court Justice B.V. Nagaratna questioned the maintainability of Article 32 petitions aiming to overturn earlier constitutional bench rulings. Emphasizing judicial discipline, she stated that benches cannot change their colors, reverse tense merely because of changing composition. Justice of Nagaratna's remarks, maintainability of petitions. Justice Nagaratna expressed concern over challenging final constitution bench judgments via fresh Article 32 petitions. She remarked that it is a serious issue if such petitions allow ignoring established precedents. Constitutional discipline. She noted that the court must abide by its hard, rigid discipline rather than changing its stance or color frequently. Article 17 and menstruation. She challenged the analogy that restricting menstruating women to equivalent to untouchability under Article 17. She warned against the annihilation of religion, noting that core matters of faith and religious conscience should not be subjected to constant judicial or legislative debate. The 9-judge bench is reviewing various issues concerning religious practices and constitutional morality in the context of the 2018 Sabrimala verdict. What happened in the last hearing? The Supreme Court in the last hearing on Tuesday said that the religious practice will not extend to the exclusion of certain castes. That is not religion, neither it is a religious practice, Justice Nagaratna said. The court responded when the senior advocate Darius Khambata said that religion is to be tested under the constitution. Is it moral under our constitution? For example, what if a religious practice is casteist? He said. The Apex Court today also wrapped the Young Lawyers Association, advising them to work for the welfare of the bar and the younger members. Apex Court cautioned about the object of filling the present PIL for the Council of the Young Lawyer Association and also asked if the deity has a belief or conscience. Now we want to know why you filled this PIL at all. What was that you wanted to achieve? What does it come out of it? Justice Nagaratna added. Previously, the Supreme Court was hearing the submission of senior advocate Jay Singh, who also noted that Shabari was a woman who offered berries to Sri Ram. She concluded last day's submission saying, I am also a Shabari. You are keeping me out. That is the end of the story. Previously, the Supreme Court also emphasized the uniqueness of our nation. Diversity is our strength. We are strong because we are diverse, and diversity is our strength. And to bring out the recognition of the diversity in the denominations, Article 26B protects it. By giving such protection, there is no unit. The Supreme Court on day 9 of the hearing previously clarified that the state can step in when religious activities affect public order, such as blocking roads, noting that such acts cannot be justified as a part of religious practice. It further observed that while autonomy in matters of worship is, when the gavel falls on the matters of the deep-seated belief, it must do so with an awareness of the limitation of legal logic. Justice Nagaratna responded with this caution when called contaminated to his neighbor any harm in all humility. If knowledge and wisdom come from any source, any country, any university, it should be welcome, he added. The Chief Justice of India then further added that court respects all the eminent persons, but personal opinions are personal opinions. Chief Justice of India Surya Kant will preside over the bench, which will include Justice B.V. Nagaratna, M.M. Sundaresh, Hasanuddin Amanullah, Arvind Kumar, Augustine George Massey, Prasanna B. Varale, R. Mahadevan, and Jomela Bagchi.
Whoever has watched this video, do like, do comment, do share and subscribe to my channel.